Hey guys, this is Dr. Tim, and this is Intra-abdominal Pressure. This is a drill that we use to start learning how to create pressure within the abdomen so that we can use our core more effectively and stabilize our spine throughout various lifts and exercises. So I'm going to set up lying on my back with my legs supported because this is the easiest position to learn this drill. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure that my low back is in contact with the ground. So I'm not going to be up with my ribs kind of flared forward. I'm going to kind of tilt my rib cage down so that my low back is touching the ground. The next thing I'm going to do is use my hands as kind of a training guide. So I'm just going to put them around the sides of my abdomen. So now I'm going to try to create some pressure outwards against my hands. So adding a little pressure in with my hands will help me get the feeling of pushing out. So it kind of looks like this. I can feel my hands expanding as the pressure builds in my abdomen. If you aren't able to do this on command, there are a couple things you can try. So the first thing is imagine that you're trying to blow a candle that's all the way up on the ceiling. That should build enough pressure so that you can feel your hands expand. Another way is just to cough. Once you got that down, you want to make sure you can create pressure in a 360-degree circle around your core. So not only through the front, but also through the sides and in the back. So using my hands in the sides as well as in the back, I can push out against them. Once you're able to create some pressure all the way around your abdomen, we're going to try to breathe while we maintain the pressure. So it's going to be pressure and then just breathe. So the hardest part is when you breathe out, your belly is going to want to sink kind of down and release the pressure. We want to try to maintain that pressure as we breathe out.